Provide stable housing fast, affordable trailers for nonprofits. Are you a nonprofit struggling with overcrowding due to the fires? This is the quickest, most affordable housing solution available right now. Why choose our travel trailers? Quick and easy setup. Set them up and get them ready to use in no time. Free delivery. We'll bring the trailers straight to you, no extra cost. Affordable. It's less than $3 a day, an unbeatable value for housing. Durable and reliable. Built to last and provide safe, comfortable living. Space saving. They take up very little space, perfect for any location. These trailers are ideal for both short-term and long-term housing, and if you need multiple units, we offer bulk discounts to help you serve more people. Call me at 310-940-8886 for more details or to place your order. Let's work together to provide stable, secure housing for those who need it most.